50 general knowledge questions in 5 levels, and they get harder as you go. The clock starts the moment the question appears, about 15 seconds, a little more on the long ones. Keep score, and tell me how many you get. Let's go. Level 1. Warm-up. Adult general knowledge. Which of these countries does not share a land border with France? A. Portugal. B. Switzerland. C. Belgium. D. Spain. The answer is A. Portugal. How many months of the year have exactly 31 days? A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. D. 8. The answer is C7. A light year is a measure of what? A. Mass. B. Time. C. Brightness. D. Distance. The answer is D. Distance. What causes the ocean's tides? A. Ocean currents. B. The moon's gravity. C. Wind patterns. D. Earth's rotation alone. The answer is B. The moon's gravity. Which line divides Earth into the northern and southern hemispheres? A. The equator. B. Tropic of Cancer. C. Prime meridian. D. International date line. The answer is A. The equator. What does 24 karat mean when describing gold? A. It weighs 24 grams. B. It has 24 layers. C. Pure gold. D. 24% gold. The answer is C. Pure gold. Which is the largest rainforest in the world? A. Congo. B. Borneo. C. Daintree. D. Amazon. The answer is D. Amazon. What do the interior angles of any four-sided shape add up to? A. 180 degrees. B. 270 degrees. C. 360 degrees. D. 540 degrees. The answer is C. 360 degrees. Which is the longest river in Africa? A. Congo. B. Zambezi. C. Niger. D. Nile. The answer is D. Nile. In which country did the Renaissance begin? A. Netherlands. B. Italy. C. Spain. D. France. The answer is B. Italy. Level 2. Medium. You need to actually know this. Crushed lapis lazuli was historically used to make which pigment? A. Ultramarine. B. Viridian. C. Ochre. D. Vermilion. The answer is A. Ultramarine. Which country has won the most FIFA World Cups? A. Germany. B. Brazil. C. Argentina. D. Italy. The answer is B. Brazil. At what temperature do the Celsius and Fahrenheit scales read the same? A. -100 degrees. B. -40 degrees. C. 0 degrees. D. 32 degrees. The answer is B. -40 degrees. Which scale measures the hardness of a mineral? A. Kelvin. B. Beaufort. C. Richter. D. Mohs. The answer is D. Mohs. Maize, the basis of the tortilla, was first domesticated in which region? A. Southeast Asia. B. West Africa. C. Mesoamerica. D. The Andes. The answer is C. Mesoamerica. Which is the only national flag that is not a rectangle or a square? A. Nepal. B. Vatican City. C. Switzerland. D. Bhutan. The answer is A. Nepal. Roughly how many bones is a human baby born with? A. 206. B. 250. C. 300. D. 350. The answer is C. 300. What do the Japanese call Japan in their own language? A. Hanguk. B. Nippon. C. Zhonguo. D. Siam. The answer is B. Nippon. Which tempo marking tells a musician to play slowly? A. Allegro. B. Vivace. C. Adagio. D. Presto. The answer is C. Adagio. In photosynthesis, the oxygen a plant releases comes from splitting what? A. Nitrogen. B. Glucose. C. Water. D. Carbon dioxide. The answer is C. Water. Level 3. Hard. This is where most people start losing points. Which novel opens with the line "Call me Ishmael"? A. Treasure Island. B. Moby Dick. C. The Old Man in the Sea. D. Robinson Crusoe. The answer is B. Moby Dick. Roughly how long does sunlight take to reach Earth? A. 8 seconds. B. 8 minutes. C. 80 minutes. D. 8 hours. The answer is B. 8 minutes. How many time zones does Russia span? A. 7. B. 9. C. 11. D. 13. The answer is C. 11. Measured from its base rather than sea level, which is the tallest mountain? A. Mauna Kea. B. K2. C. Denali. D. Everest. The answer is A. Mauna Kea. Which battle is widely seen as the turning point of the Eastern Front in World War II? A. Stalingrad. B. Moscow. C. Kursk. D. Berlin. The answer is A. Stalingrad. Which geological period came immediately before the Jurassic? A. Permian. B. Cretaceous. C. Cambrian. D. Triassic. The answer is D. Triassic. How many black keys are on a standard piano? A. 30. B. 32. C. 36. D. 40. The answer is C. 36. Who created the first widely accepted periodic table of elements? A. Lavoisier. B. Dalton. C. Bohr. D. Mendeleev. The answer is D. Mendeleev. Which organ produces insulin? A. Liver. B. Pancreas. C. Kidney. D. Spleen. The answer is B. Pancreas. How many people have walked on the surface of the moon? A. 6. B. 12. C. 18. D. 24. The answer is B. 12. Level 4. Expert. Only real enthusiasts get these. Which city was Australia's seat of government before Canberra? A. Melbourne. B. Sydney. C. Brisbane. D. Adelaide. The answer is A. Melbourne. Which tomato does the official Neapolitan standard require for a true pizza? A. Sun-dried. B. San Marzano. C. Cherry. D. Roma. The answer is B. San Marzano. Which country's cross is not represented in the Union Jack? A. Scotland. B. Wales. C. England. D. Ireland. The answer is B. Wales. The Prime Meridian passes through which London district? A. Kensington. B. Camden. C. Greenwich. D. Westminster. The answer is C. Greenwich. Which pigment makes an octopus's blood blue? A. Hemoglobin. B. Hemocyanin. C. Myoglobin. D. Chlorocruorin. The answer is B. Hemocyanin. Which lake holds the most fresh water by volume? A. Baikal. B. Victoria. C. Tanganyika. D. Superior. The answer is A. Baikal. Which ship rescued the survivors of the Titanic? A. Carpathia. B. Californian. C. Britannic. D. Olympic. The answer is A. Carpathia. In 1942, Enrico Fermi built the world's first what? A. Nuclear reactor. B. Particle accelerator. C. Radio telescope. D. Atomic bomb. The answer is A. Nuclear reactor. Who discovered X-rays? A. Henry Becquerel. B. Wilhelm Röntgen. C. Marie Curie. D. Thomas Edison. The answer is B. Wilhelm Röntgen. Which art movement did Vincent van Gogh belong to? A. Post-Impressionism. B. Expressionism. C. Cubism. D. Impressionism. The answer is A. Post-Impressionism. Level 5. Genius. Hard, but fair. Good luck. Which organ was the first to be successfully transplanted between humans? A. Liver. B. Heart. C. Lung. D. Kidney. The answer is D. Kidney. In linguistics, what is a hapax legomenon? A. A word borrowed from another language. B. A word that is spelled the same backwards. C. A word with two opposite meanings. D. A word that appears only once in a text. The answer is D. A word that appears only once in a text. Which star is closest to our Sun? A. Barnard's star. B. Sirius. C. Alpha Centauri. A. D. Proxima Centauri. The answer is D. Proxima Centauri. In Greek myth, who was condemned to roll a boulder uphill for eternity? A. Sisyphus. B. Atlas. C. Tantalus. D. Prometheus. The answer is A. Sisyphus. Saltpeter, long used to make gunpowder, is which compound? A. Potassium nitrate. B. Sodium chloride. C. Calcium carbonate. D. Magnesium sulfate. The answer is A. Potassium nitrate. Who was the first man to run a mile in under 4 minutes? A. Paavo Nurmi. B. Emil Zatopek. C. Jesse Owens. D. Roger Bannister. The answer is D. Roger Bannister. The Rh in Rh positive blood is named after what? A. Rheumatic fever. B. Rhodium. C. The Rhine River. D. A rhesus macaque. The answer is D. A rhesus macaque. Which planet is tipped on its side, with an axial tilt of about 98 degrees? A. Saturn. B. Neptune. C. Uranus. D. Venus. The answer is C. Uranus. Which era of Japanese history ran from 1603 to 1868? A. Showa. B. Meiji. C. Heian. D. Edo. The answer is D. Edo. Which part of the heart acts as its natural pacemaker? A. Purkinje fibers. B. Atrioventricular node. C. Sinoatrial node. D. Bundle of His. The answer is C. Sinoatrial node. How many did you get out of 50? Comment your score below, and subscribe for a new quiz every week.